Yeah, people, this be me, this Boosie, back again to tell you about this Dallas shooting, live in coverage. I'm finna let y'all know what's going on. All right, they say they got a shooter. This guy named They say Jesus, what's his name? Ishmael They say Jesus, whatever his name is, said he got the shooting of this guy shooting a police officer and everything. I want y'all to check this out in detail. Listen, y'all.
This is no, don't go anywhere. This is very important. We're going to play it from the beginning. Again, this is very graphic, but we want you to watch it. Here it is.
So check it out. I'm going to give y'all a little detail. Now, if y'all notice, if you look at this shot right here, you see a guy right there in the middle in between that one pillar. That's supposed to be one of the shooters. If you can hear the gunshots going off. Now, he's supposed to be shooting at something or whoever. So it must be another police officer that he's shooting at. And he got a array of shots firing back at this officer. Now, this is another image of the guy doing more shootings and at the officer or whatever. And De Jesus is talking about it. He's hiding in the hotel across the street and showing that how this guy was doing all this shooting. Listen, people.
And I really don't think that, social equality.
And now, if you notice, if they jumped again, the guy has left, got away, and it's an officer down dead on the streets. So I don't know what's going on, people, but the way it's looking like somebody is tired of what's going on in America right now. And the way America's going, it seems like this is the new Iraq, like they said. This is the new Iraq. You don't have to go over state. You don't have to go to Iraq. You don't have to go to Sudan. The shit is happening here. Right here, people. We need to get this stuff together, man, and do something because it's not getting greater. It's not getting better. It's getting worse. So now officers are getting shot. So what you think was going to happen next? They're going to do retaliation.